there is something I want to talk to you guys about, and it's a really mature topic because a form of human trafficking is something we call domestic minor sex trafficking, and it's happening to students your age and younger. And so I'm actually here today to appeal to the hero in all of you.
Today we had Russ Tuttle in to speak to our 7th and 8th grade students here about the importance of when they see something that's not right to say something, specifically in their online lives. Our kids more and more are living their lives on social media. It's a big part of their life, and what we want to do is arm them with the appropriate tools so that when they come across things that aren't right, they have an adult or somebody they can go to say something and to get help.
I actually believe in students. I believe that they actually like being told the truth about this issue. And when we tell them the truth about this issue of their life online, they actually step up and make a difference. If you're challenged with a controlling relationship or being bullied online, or maybe pornography is a challenge for you, these are not issues for you to be discussing online. These are issues where you need to go to a trusted adult, and that's why your school's brought us in here today.
Russ Tuttle did an amazing job here at the Ozark School District today. I think he sent a very good message out to our students and staff regarding the safety of the internet and social media. So we greatly appreciate having Russ here today to share his message with us.
Every one of you is a hero. Every single one of you in this room is incredibly valuable and incredibly important, and I need you to understand you are worth more than your online life. You're worth more than your likes, and you're worth more than your shares.